Here's a good tip to help get your nature block started in your backyard. You can see out here we've chosen a nice little spot in the corner that's pretty much all lawn and weeds and mainly bindies that's coming up through the place. If you find yourself a nice piece of recycled cardboard, it's really great to put down as a base on top of your plant. So you can see here we've cut out a hole in the middle for our plant to go in. And so what we can do is just place that in the area where we'd like to create our nature block. From here it means that we just have to weed in that area that we're going to immediately plant our plant. So it comes in, we can come out and clear out that area. Once we've cleared the immediate area, we can just dig our hole. And then we can plant our plant. And so by placing down this layer of cardboard, it does a few things. It helps retain moisture in our soil for our plant, as well as help suppress any weeds coming up in or around our plant. To further make this work better, we also use a good layer of mulch that we place around. So by placing a good layer of mulch, it also helps retain moisture, as well as helps that cardboard break down, providing nutrients for the soil, as well as any microorganisms that might be living in it. Once done, he just needs a good water and he's ready to start his life in our nature block. This is a great quick way to prepare an area for your nature block. It means that you don't have to worry about preparing a large area and conditioning the soil for an extended period of time.